Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to see how you can set up agency agents in your OpenCode. So earlier I installed OpenCode using npm. So this is the official repository of agency agents. There are a lot of agency agents present. Like you can see front-end developer, backend architect, mobile app developer, and there are lots of other agents as well. So I have written down the steps on a Reddit page. So these are the steps which we need to follow. So we will just copy this step from here and paste it in our terminal. So now I am skipping this step as I already have this cloned in my downloads folder. You can see that. So this is the agency agents that I already cloned. So now let us move to the second step. We are going inside agency agents directory. For that we will use cd command. So now we are inside agency agents. Now let's move to the third step. Actually this repository was created for claude. Now we need for OpenCode, so we have to convert it. So they have given these steps on the official repository as well. Done message has been shown. Done total conversion 1160. Now we will copy our fourth command. It is the last step. So now our setup has been completed. So now we will see if all the things are working correctly or not. Now OpenCode has been opened and you can see that there are lots of agents present. Earlier there were just 2. These are the steps which you can follow. That's it for the today's video. Thank you.